hope you guys are feeling well. I know during this time there's a lot of folks that are very concerned and also spending a whole lot of time at home running into things that they have had that are broken, or so they think, and finally going, let's try to figure that out. Today we're going to be looking at how to deal with a single hung window and evaluate why it's not working right, and maybe you can fix it yourself. So we're going to give you an idea here. So here's a window that, I don't know if this looks familiar to you, but you're saying, hey, my window's broken. What do I do to fix this? So let's break down the different sections of the window, all right? You have your fixed panel and your operational panel, all right? And then what we have is called a spring closer on either side, the spring assembly, all right? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go about evaluating what's wrong with this window, all right? First thing I'm gonna do is try to get it back aligned and closed, and then I'll show you what's going on, all right? So let's push up over here. We're gonna go ahead and gently let it down, try to put evenly pressure down here until it's closed. And then I'm going to show you, if we can bring the camera in here, there's a couple of little metal tabs, all right? There's going to be one like this on either side, all right? You see what that little metal tab is, all right? Right now it's considered in the out position, all right? Normal operation, it should be in, okay? So in this case, this window is not broken. The person who thought it was broken didn't realize that someone had pulled that tab out, and that's what's causing it to not work correctly. So the easiest solution was to press that in, look on the other side and press that in, and now look at that, there's no issue with the operation of the window. But what I'm going to show you is, in case you do this and it's still kind of giving you that weird look, I'm going to tell you that what you're going to need to do is that those little tabs, you see I pulled it back out again, which is usually my fingertip, pull that out. Okay, so I pull it back out again. Now what we need to do is get the operable panel out of the place. Okay, so by doing that, I'm going to lift it up again, all the way. And what you're going to notice is the hook kept the spring closer from following the window up. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the window to one side, and you can see that makes a clearance over here. All right. It allows this to come loose. All right. So now I'm going to pull that loose, and then gently slide it out. Okay. Setting this panel aside, let's take a look at the spring closer area, all right? So here what we have is the spring assembly, right? You can see how it got caught, right, on that little clip right there, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently press down against the spring, okay? And it's going to come out. Now, don't be surprised, but don't release tension, because behind there's a string. See that string? See how it's attached to this little hole? This is the spring assembly. It's your string and pulley assembly, and then the hook that went into that little hole in the vinyl, which we'll show you again later. You can see how what happens is when it's in that vinyl, I'll pull on it, the spring assembly functions, all right? And that's what causes the tension that allows the window to move smoothly and stay up, okay? A lot of times the string may be broken, or the spring or this plastic adapter can have gotten broken. And then this is actually easily orderable. You can order these on Amazon, or there's a number of other places online. You can order it and replace it yourself, so you get a new one. So let's say you found that broken and now it's time to replace it. All right, so let's go ahead and reinstall this. Okay. So again, that hook that we found, okay, so that's right there. Okay, we're just gonna hook that little hole right there. Okay. Now that I have it hooked, I'm going to need to put some tension on it to get this part to go into the clip, all right, go underneath our clip. So I press down, then I push it against the back wall, and then I gently let it slide up till it catches in that clip. You see that? Okay. And then you repeat the same process on the other side till you have these two spring closers just under tension. Now I'll take my operable panel again, place it gently in the opening, slide it again firmly to one side so that it clears on the opposite side, okay? Placing it inside, I'm going to recenter it gently, okay? And then just slowly lower it so that it engages these spring assemblies together at one time. And then I'm going to gently press evenly on both sides, press it down. And then last step is to close these clips. So I'm going to press it in, make sure it's all the way against the vinyl, both sides. Now, you should just test the operation and find that it works smoothly again as you expected. Okay? And that's how to deal with your single hung window issue. Okay, we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you for your time.